Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the beam with unknown joint translation part first by slope and deflection method for the subject structural analysis 2. So numerical problem, analyze the beam shown in the figure by slope and deflection method and draw a bending moment diagram. So if you see the figure, in member AB, the length is 2 meter, member BC, it is 2 meter. But the moment of inertia of member AB is 2I and for member BC it is I. So this beam is a non-prismatic beam. Okay. So between the support, the sectional properties are changing. Now, when the beam is a non-prismatic, then between the support, the additional joint is considered at a point where the moment of inertia is changing. So, at point B, the value of moment of inertia for AB it is 2I and for BC it is I. So, at point B, the moment of inertia is changing. So, at point B, there we have to consider additional joint, and at this point there will be a two unknown, that is rotation of joint B, and the translation of joint B. So here the degree of freedom of joint B will be 2. So degree of freedom of joint A, it will be 0 as there is a fixed support. At C also the degree of freedom will be 0 as it is fixed support. So degree of freedom for the given problem is 2, that is theta B and delta B. So the next step is to find out the fixed moment. Okay. So consider member AB is subjected to load 100 kN at the center. Okay. So for member AB, the fixed moment will be in anti-clockwise direction. So it will be positive. For member BA, it is clockwise direction, so minus. So as the load is acting at the center of the member AB, so the formula is WL by 2. W is 100, that is load is 100 and length is 2 meter. So if you put the values, so we get the fixed moment as 25. For member AB it will be plus 25 and for member BA it will be minus 25. The fixed moment for member BC, as there is no load, so the value will be equal to 0. Okay. Now applying the slope and deflection equation for the member AB. So this is the slope and deflection equation for member AB. Now here, as we are considering the translation, that is theta B, in upward direction at joint B. Here we are considering translation because here the moment of inertia is changing. Okay, and we are considering this translation in upward direction. So here this delta you have to apply in this way. Okay, so for member BA it will be in clockwise direction and for BC it will be in anti-clockwise direction. It will be in anti-clockwise direction. Now here for member AB, here as it is in clockwise direction, here also it will be in clockwise direction. And for member CB, here it is in anti-clockwise direction, here also it will be in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so here our sign convention, that is anti-clockwise, we are considering it as positive and clockwise we are considering it as negative. So here for member BA and for member AB, as this is in clockwise direction, so here the value is minus. Okay, so putting the value of fixed moment here as 25, here the moment of inertia is 2I, put the value of I as 2I. Okay, and put the value of length, that is 2, and if you solve it you get the fixed end moment for member AB. So same way we apply the slope and depletion equation for member BA. Okay, so here also the value of delta is in clockwise direction, so it is negative. Okay, so put the value of fixed end moment, moment of inertia and length of the member as 2. Okay, so we get the moment equation for member BA, that is 25 plus 4 EI theta B minus EI delta B. Okay, applying slope and deflection equation for the next member, that is BC. Now here for member BC, the value of delta will be in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and here also for CB it will be also in anti-clockwise direction. As it is in anti-clockwise direction for BC, for CB also it will be in anti-clockwise direction. So our sign anti-clockwise is positive and clockwise is negative. Okay, here as it is in anti-clockwise direction, so positive. So here fixed moment for member BC is 0. Okay, put the value of moment of inertia as I only, length as 2 meter, and we get the equation of moment for member BC as 2 EI theta B plus 1.5 EI delta B. Now we'll apply the slope and deflection equation for the next member, that is CB. Okay, now for member CB also the value of delta is in anti-clockwise direction, so here we are considering it as positive. Okay, so put the value of length and fixed end moment. Here at joint C there is fixed support, so the value of theta C is 0. So we get the equation for the member CB as EI theta B plus 1.5 EI delta B. Okay, thank you.